Let's roll them. No, stay there.
Barf.
Good boy. Good boy. Hey guys, and welcome to another VegInspired video. Today we're going to do things a little different. We're inviting you into our RV kitchen while we recipe test or try out or just have fun cooking a fresh tomato sauce. So welcome John, the other half of VegInspired. He's my VegInspired chef. And we're going to pour ourselves some wine and sit back and cook and take you along for the ride. So sit back and enjoy this video.
Bop 'em.
Bop 'em.
What we got here?
We have some berry
Family Cellars.
Berry Family Cellars. We actually found out about Berry Family Cellars from the Vegan Wine Club while we were in Watkins Glen, so we were able to go.
Oops. So I'm just thinking cutting up the tomatoes, putting them in the Dutch oven, cooking them a little bit, and then running them through a food mill.
Ooh, fun. I love the food
or
mill.
in the Vitamix if we don't want to.
Nah, probably the food mill. That's
Well,
pretty
either
fun.
or. It can be an option.
Food mill.
And then cook that down with some minced onion and garlic
Okay.
until it's like thickened.
So we just
And then
gotta
throw in some basil at the end.
cut all these tomatoes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just chop them up and throw them in there. Just in the chunks like this. The big chunks will be good. Right?
Yes. Whoops.
Do you want to film them going into the Dutch oven?
Ooh, yes. We'll show you guys how they go in the Dutch oven.
They smell really good, fresh. They smell really good. We might have to eat one raw.
We can't eat one raw. No.
It's kind of like I'm kind of sad that we can't eat them raw now.
Why? Because they smell so good?
These don't seem very juicy, which is good, because we got these Roma-ish tomatoes. I don't know what the Roma are. I'm thinking they're not as juicy, so they'll make a thicker sauce. I don't know. Some of them in there like that.
What do you think, Murph? Have you ever made fresh tomato sauce?
Nope.
Oh,
We're just
man.
winging it.
You guys are in store
We're
for
just
some fun.
winging it.
How long's it going to cook for?
Just cook it on medium until the skins kind of pull away, I guess. And then we'll food mill them or go ahead and mix them.
Food mill, food mill.
Okay.
That's so fun.
Good wine too. This is my favorite kind of cooking in the kitchen. Just fresh stuff, Italian cooking, and wine. Or like fresh Mexican stuff and beer. This is my kind of cooking.
Yep. So we hope you enjoy this glimpse into our tomato sauce. Keep watching. They smell
Wait,
really
look at
good.
that.
Oh, you're blue.
Sweet.
I think
No, just that's it.
super fine. So mince the garlic.
Yeah.
Sure. I can put the garlic in this, right? Is that too much garlic?
Could have a little bit of carrot too, maybe.
You don't have carrot.
Could add dried chilies and make it like a enchilada sauce.
Ooh. I personally liked your idea of adding vodka and cashews and making like a vodka sauce.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Should we make a vodka sauce version? You know, why do you keep saying that?
Our 2-year-old nephew calls tomatoes bottom. It's starting to break down. It's starting to break down and move. Right?
Yeah. I'm gonna let you super mince the onion. Although I'm okay with small onion pieces in my.
Yep. Thinly sliced or minced or what?
Oh, I don't know. Thinly sliced might look cool. Should I climb up and get the food mill? Wow, you're really doing it. Let me show the fans at home. Look how thin those are. Nice. You rinse it off.
Does it get all the liquids coming out now? So it has the skins are peeling away. There's quite a bit of liquid in the pot now. And we'll just keep going. We just want the skins to like fall out.
You say it's good to go?
Yep.
So we're just gonna food mill them in there?
Yep.
Just in case anybody wonders what Murph's doing while we're filming. That's what Murph does while we film. Are we saving that?
Yeah.
Are we straining it?
No. There's some seeds in there and just trying to get all the skins. I'm okay with the few seeds anyway.
Looking good.
Good.
I'm not gonna lie, I kinda wanted
Just
to
push it through.
do the food mill.
Yeah, do you want to do it?
Yeah. Just go like this. Wow, this is easy. Remember when we made applesauce with this? That was so good. Can we make applesauce again?
Sure.
Yummo! Wow.
So, I mean,
So what is that technically? Tomato juice?
crushed tomatoes, I guess.
Oh. But I mean, like, could I
It's
add?
a little it's a little watery.
Could I add vodka and Worcestershire sauce to that and drink a Bloody Mary? Oh.
So I'm gonna add the garlic.
Yep.
and onion.
It was about 5 cloves of minced garlic.
So, maybe a little crushed red pepper.
We can add a pinch
Maybe
of.
like a pinch of crushed red pepper.
I'll take one for the team. We can add a pinch of crushed red pepper.
Maybe a mashed grapefruit today.
There's that.
Let's see what else can we do.
You asked for this.
Yeah.
And fresh basil. When does the fresh basil go in?
Is that a good pinch?
Yeah, do it. Ah, what if it's so spicy I can't eat it?
I'll give it a little backbone.
A little backbone. I'll be like,
A little something. What else?
cooking in the kitchen?
Anything dried or wild or
Nah. Fresh basil, what are we doing with that? Does that go in at the end?
Yeah.
When do the onions go in?
The onions can go in now.
Ooh, so I just scrape?
Yep.
Love this. And then put them in?
Yep.
Let me make sure I got them all. Oh, there's a few right here.
Video that.
Oops, sorry. Looks really good. We're gonna eat this on spaghetti.
What do you guys think? Smells pretty good.
Doesn't it?
Should we have wine too, or should we keep it like fresh tomato?
No, fresh tomato.
Yeah.
No wine.
Do you want to give it a whiff?
I want to give it a taste. How long does it have to cook down for?
Till it's thick enough. Like this.
Should we start boiling the water?
Yeah. Or do you want to boil it? We should probably boil it on the.
Yeah, because it'll take forever on the propane.
So we'll get the old pasta cooker out.
Yeah.
So
What
this
are
is
you
our
doing?
pasta pot. It's a pressure cooker that we double as a big pot for boiling pasta and stuff. Yeah. It's a double tasker.
It's a multitasker. A double tasker. See the kind of stuff I put up with?
Multitasker.
Are you getting the cats? Because they're kind of funny right now. I mean, can you see Scoot? Look at him. Scooty! Not impressed, Mom. Not impressed. Merv. Silly kitties. I'm just over here filling a pasta pot with water, folks. Alright, so we'll use this, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just trim off these ends. And then I'll put this in here like this, and then we store our herbs with our produce bags over them so they can breathe. Basil we don't store in the refrigerator, but all the other herbs we do. Just like this with water. Good to go. What's going on?
Okay.
Ooh.
So the sauce is thickening up a little bit. Not sure it's there yet, but it's looking pretty awesome.
Smells amazing in here.
I love how simple it is too. Simple and fresh.
Yeah.
This wine is awesome.
This wine is awesome. Berry Family Cellars in Watkins Glen.
Yeah, that was a fun trip. That was a fun stay. Watkins Glen.
That was a
Finger
fun
Lakes.
stay.
So,
By the time this video comes out, maybe the Watkins Glen video will be out already. If the Watkins Glen video is out, I'll link it up there. Oh, and the water's almost boiling.
pasta's ready.
Oh, the pasta's ready. Now I gotta go help.
Just give it a test. Make sure it's rubber bandy. It's rubber bandy.
I want to test. Can I have a piece? Fish me out one, please.
It's good to me.
I need to test.
Now I guess we'll scoop it out.
Yeah, you can put it right in here. One of the reasons for not dumping the hot water down the drain is that we use special tank microbes, and we don't want the hot water to go down there and kill them. So we'll let the water cool, and then we can put it down there and
get most of it.
Nice.
And this way we can reserve. We can add a little pasta water if we need it to the pasta.
And what would that do? Thin out the sauce a little?
It'll make it cling to the sauce better.
To the spaghetti?
Cling to the spaghetti.
Adding pasta water to the sauce will help it cling to the spaghetti.
Yeah.
Awesome. Pro
Is
tip.
that a pound?
I mean,
Pasta? That seems like a lot.
It's a pound, but it seems like a very big pound. I think it's a pound. 1 pound. I'm sorry, 1 pound, 1.6 ounces. So it's a little bit more than a pound. Are we plating it up?
Yep.
Okay, what are we doing?
We're debating on tossing the pasta right into the sauce. Because that's enough sauce for the pasta.
I say do it.
Okay.
Do you want the tongs?
Do it.
Or you can use the fork.
Let's use the pasta, whatever you call it.
I call it a pasta fork.
Pasta scooper. Okay, we'll just throw it in there. Do you want to film it?
Oh yeah. That's why we moved it over here, folks. Not ready. Oh, Murph's in the background.
Ready?
Hey, Murph.
Looking good. I'm just going to add a little bit of pasta water. Maybe from this. Can I use this?
Yeah, that's what I got it out for.
Yeah.
That was good. Can't wait to dig into that. Whole food, plant-based, no oil pasta sauce that looks amazing. Yum.
Sweet.
Do you want me to do yours for you?
Sure.
Tell me when.
I'm not sure if there's going to be a win. That's good.
I'll have to wipe off your plate. I made a mess. Nooch. Going in with some nooch sprinkles.
Some salt. Because Parmesan's salty and cheesy, so salt and peach works pretty well.
Yep. Perfect. Awesome. All right, folks, we're going to take a taste for you. Ready?
Yep.
Homemade tomato sauce with fresh local tomatoes from the local farm stand, local organic farm stand. Wow. That's good. Nice job. Okay, guys, you can find this recipe printable version on VegInspired.com. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this unique take on cooking in the kitchen with VegInspired. And the other half of VegInspired, John. You can find him on Instagram at VegInspiredChef. Give this video a thumbs up if you like these kinds of videos. We want to know, do you want to watch us cook in the kitchen some more? Sorry, I feel like I have spaghetti sauce on me. Do you want to watch us cook in the kitchen together? Is this fun? Do you like this format a little bit better? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, eat more plants, live veg-inspired. Don't forget to subscribe. And have a great day. Bye. Hey, thanks. This turned out really good.
Yeah, it's so fresh and
So fresh.
awesome. So fresh and bright
And that pinch of red pepper is not biting me, so we're good.
wow.
It's so bright and so fresh. I'm going to go sit down and eat.